welcome to Languages channel. My name is Belén Morales and the lesson for today is about comprehension skills. First of all, we're going to talk about previewing. It is the skill that allows to get information. It happens when you look at something quickly before you read it. It can help you make decisions. For example, if you want to read a book, you are going to know if it is interesting. It can help you with your reading also, because if you preview a passage, your brain will be already thinking about this, so you can understand better and read faster. When you preview, you ask some questions. For example, what is it, who wrote it, what is it about, and something like that. You can practice with this exercise. Also, you can use titles to make these questions. Finally, you can preview a passage. When you preview a passage, you have to read just the parts that will help you answer your questions. Now we're going to talk about scanning. It is a fast kind of reading. You use this technique in order to find information quickly. When you scan, you move your eyes quickly and don't read all. For example, if you want to practice, you have to look for the keyword and circle it every time you say it. So here you have one exercise to practice. Another important point that I want to mention is making inferences. It is a kind of guess. When you read, you get information of a passage. Then you make an inference. You guess extra information. You make inferences in everyday life and also when you are reading. For example, you can make inferences about a conversation. And now, here you are the explanation. So you have to know that the same happens with passages. The last topic that I want to mention is focusing on the topic. A topic is a word that tells what something is about. For example, you're reading a book and a friend asks, "What is it about?" You answer, "It is about mountain climbing." So, mountain climbing is the topic of the book. If you want to understand the ideas, you have to start by looking for the topic. It is just an advice. And the topic is the most general word. For example, Europe is the topic, and France, Germany, Finland, and Greece are specific words that belong to the topic. And you can practice with these exercises.
Hi everyone, my name is Evelyn Santa Maria and I am continue with the video. 1. Understanding paragraphs. So, first of all, what is a paragraph? A paragraph is a group of sentences that are all about one thing or idea. The topic of a paragraph tells what the paragraph is about. In other words, all the facts and ideas in the paragraph will fit in the topic. Also, paragraphs have main idea. So the main idea is the writer's idea about the topic. The main idea gives you a more complete understanding of the topic. Usually it is on the first sentence. 2. Identifying the pattern of the paragraph. What is a pattern? It's a regular way that something is organized. It has 4 common patterns in a paragraph: the listing pattern, the sequence pattern, the comparison pattern, and the cause and effect pattern. The listing pattern. The main idea tells you about a list of things or ideas. The common words are many, several, a lots of, some, a few, etc. Sequence pattern. The main idea tells about a sequence, things that happen in order. The common signal words are a date, a time, the age of a person, for a year, in a month, etc. Comparison pattern. The main idea tells you about 2 things, people, or ideas. The common signal words are alike, like, similar, different, less than, bigger, etc. The main idea tells you that something caused something else or is caused by something else. The common words are result in, reason for, the cause of, bring, reason why, etc. Thinking in English. First, you need to work quickly, so you need to read all the article with don't stop. Second, you need to try to guess the meaning of the new words, and also you can write these words in your vocabulary notebook. And 3. Remember, your first guess is often the right one. Finally, part 4. Reading faster. Now, in this exercise, you are going to practice the different steps that we are going to learn in the previous units. First, before you start, write down the exact time it says on your watch or clock. Second, preview each passage quickly before reading. Third, read the passage and then write down the exact time you finish. 4. Now you need to answer the question without looking back the passage. 5. Read the passage again and look the answer for the questions. 6. Find your reading time. Then you need to write your reading rate and your comprehension score. And finally, after reading 4 or 5 passages, check all your progress.